In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew an SSL certificate in GoDaddy. If you have an SSL certificate that's about to expire, it's important to renew it before the expiration date so your website stays secure and visitors don't see browser warnings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic renewal process inside your GoDaddy account, and I'll also mention the final step of rekeying and reinstalling the updated certificate so everything continues working properly. To begin, sign in to your GoDaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is where you can see the products and services connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and SSL certificates. Once you're on that page, scroll until you find the SSL certificates section. Take a moment to locate the certificate that is marked as expiring soon, since that's the one you'll want to renew. Next to the expiring SSL certificate, click Manage. This will open the certificate management area where you can review the details and take action on that specific SSL product. Make sure you're selecting the correct certificate, especially if you manage more than one domain or have multiple SSLs in the account. From there, click Renew. GoDaddy will then guide you through the renewal options. Select the renewal term that works best for you. Depending on what's available, you may see different term lengths, so choose the option that matches your needs and budget. If you're managing this for a business website, it can be helpful to renew early so you don't have to deal with the last-minute expiration. After selecting your renewal term, continue to checkout, review the order details carefully, then complete the payment. Once the renewal has been processed, keep in mind that renewing the SSL purchase is not always the very last thing you need to do. In many cases, you'll also need to rekey and reinstall the updated certificate so the renewed SSL becomes active on your website. That final part is important because the certificate installed on your server needs to match the renewed version. If you skip the rekey or reinstallation process, your site may still show the old expiration date or security warnings. So after checkout, follow GoDaddy's prompts to rekey the certificate if needed, and then install the updated SSL on your hosting environment or server. And that's it. Once the renewed certificate is installed correctly, your website should continue to display a secure connection without interruption.